everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to play Traitor by Olivia Rodrigo on the keyboard. I'm first going to show you how verse 1 sounds and then I'll go through each individual line, and I'll do that for every verse until I've learnt the whole song. If you'd like to hear how the song sounds all the way through, skip to the time on the screen and it will take you to the end of the video where I've combined all of the verses. But otherwise, here is verse 1 and I hope you enjoy the video. The first line of verse 1 is so we're going to play E flat, F, G, G, E flat, F, G, G, F. The second line is E flat, F, G, F, E flat, F, C. The next line is so it is E flat, F, G, G, E flat, F, G, G, F. And the final line of verse 1 is E flat, F, G, F, E flat, F, C. Again, that is. So that is verse 1. Let's play it again. Now we can move on to the pre-chorus. This is how it sounds. The first line of the pre-chorus is so we're playing C, E flat, F, G, B flat, E flat, G, G, A flat, G, E flat, F, G, E flat, F, G, C. So again, that is. And the next line of the pre-chorus is so it's C, E flat, F, G, B flat, E flat, F, G, 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 A flat, G. And the final line is E flat, F, G, E flat, F, G, E flat, C. That is the pre-chorus. Let's play it one more time. Now we can play the chorus, and this is how it sounds. the chorus is so we're playing the higher B flat, C, B flat, E flat, G, B flat, A flat, G, A flat, B flat, A flat, B flat, C, B flat, E flat. The second line is so it is G, B flat, A flat, G, A flat, G, F, E flat, F, G, G, A flat, G, F, G, G, A flat, G, F. The next sign is G, G, A flat, G, F, E flat, F, G, G, A flat, G, F. The next sign is E flat, G, 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 F, up to B flat, G, E flat, G, G, A flat, G, F, E flat. And the final line of the chorus is F, G, G, B flat, G, E flat, G, G, A flat, G, F, E flat. So that is the chorus. Let's play it again. The next part to learn is verse 2, and this is how it sounds. The first line of verse 2 is E flat, F, G, G, E flat, E flat, E flat, F, G, F, E flat. The second line is E flat, F, G, F, E flat, F, E flat, F, C. The next line is E flat, E flat, E flat, F, G, B flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, F, G, B flat. And the final line of verse 2 is is verse 2, let's play it again. After verse 2, you can play the pre-chorus again, which is basically the same as the pre-chorus we already played, it's just to different lyrics. So this is how it sounds. So obviously that was basically the same as the pre-chorus that we've already gone through, so I'm not going to go through that again. So after the pre-chorus, you can play the chorus again, and then the final part to learn is the bridge, and this is how it sounds. Line of the bridge is so it's E flat, D, B flat, and then G, F, G, F, G, F, G, B flat, G. And the second line is, which is just G, F, G, F, G, F, G, B flat, G, F. The next line is which is the same as the first line, and then the final line is G, F, G, F, G, F, G, F, E flat. So that is it for the bridge. Let's play it again. So after the bridge, you can play the chorus again, and then the final part to play is the outro, which is just the same as the first two lines of the bridge. So this is how the outro sounds. So that was the outro, and that's it for this song. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it useful, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up or a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.